are rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. Do you understand the rights I have just read to you? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me? Arrest is a taking of a person into custody in order that he may be forthcoming to answer for the commission of an offense. Section 1, Rule 113. Warrant of arrest. A written order issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, signed by a judge directed to the peace officer, to any law enforcement officer, commanding him to arrest the person named and described therein and bring him or her before the court. Probable cause means such facts and circumstances antecedent to the issuance of warrants and are in themselves sufficient to induce a cautious man to rely upon them. Procedure for effecting arrest. An arrest is made by an actual restraint of a person to be arrested or by his submission to the custody of a person making the arrest. No violence or unnecessary force shall be used in making an arrest. The person arrested shall not be subjected to a greater restraint than is necessary for his detention. Section 2, Rule 113. Duty of arresting officer. It shall be the duty of the officer executing the warrant to arrest the accused and deliver him to the nearest police station or jail without unnecessary delay. Section 3, Rule 113. Execution of warrant. The head of the office to where the warrant or arrest was delivered for execution shall cause the warrant to be executed within 10 days for its receipt. Within 10 days after the expiration of the period, the officer to whom it was assigned for execution shall make a report to the judge who issued the warrant. In case of his failure to execute the warrant, he shall state the reasons therefor. Section 4, Rule 113.
I like to party!